How to add Spotify to Opera GX browser. So if you want to add Spotify to your Opera GX browser, then first you need to open up your Opera GX. Once you open up your Opera GX, now you just need to simply go with a new tab. Here, you need to go with a web address, which is Chrome flags. So search for Chrome/flags and hit the enter, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to just go with search flags, and under search, you need to search for custom. And here you will have custom user sites for browser sidebar. So you just need to simply go with the right side, and here you need to choose enabled. Once you enable the option, now you need to go with relaunch, which is here on the bottom right, and it will relaunch your browser. And once it relaunches, now you need to go with a new tab, and here at the bottom left you will have sidebar setup. So click on sidebar, and you need to scroll down a bit, and you will have add custom site panel. Just click on it, and then you can add the site panel. You can just simply go with Spotify, and then go with create, go with the tick, or if that doesn't work, then you can go with spotify.com and then go with create. And that's it. That's how you can add Spotify to your Opera GX browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.